In this demonstration, we're going to show how to calculate text values for a field within a table. Now we have a shape file, attribute table of a shape file here. Again, it must be a shape file in order for you to make changes to it. Original ArcInfo data you're not allowed to make changes to. And of course, the shape file for yourself must reside on the H drive. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add a field, and we're going to call it productivity. Let's call it prod underscore, or actually we'll call it land underscore prod for productivity. And we want it to be a string type, or actually we'll make it a text, sorry. And we don't know how long it might be, so let's enter 25 characters and click OK. Now what we're going to do is we're going to calculate that field. But what this field is going to contain is it's going to classify land as either being water, unproductive forest, or forest. And in order to do that, we're first going to have to select the records in this field that belong to each of those categories. So we'll do a query on land ID. Or I should say we're going to do a selection based on attributes. And the layer we're going to do this on is the one called land productivity. Or no, just called productivity, sorry. And we're going to select based on land ID. And let's do the productive forest first, so that is land IDs less than, whoops, back that up, land IDs greater than, or I should say less than 700, and go apply. And we've now selected all those, and these are my productive forest land base. So we'll go in here and calculate this. And remember, when we do a calculation, we are calculating for only the selected records. So land productivity equals, we're going to use double quotes, and then we're going to type in prod forest for productive forest, and then double quotes, and hit OK. And now that field's been populated for us. Okay, now we're going to go do the same for let's do it for the unproductive forest. Now the unproductive forest is land ID values of 700, so greater than 699 and less than 800. So we're going to have to go in here and select by attributes again. And this time we're going to have land ID. We want greater than 699 and land ID less than 800. So that'll be all our 700s. And go apply. Now if we close this and look, and I select the button to show just the selected set, you'll see that all those selected are in the 700 range. So now we can click that back, show all records, and now we're going to do our calculate our values again, and this time we're going to call it unproductive forest, and click OK. Alright, that's really all I have to show you right now.